No, tuchakana ati atongira kathombane bakinyete kire mambura ya Gukunurwa Reverend Jackson Murugara urodhurita bishop umweru wa kanisa ya Catholic Diocese ya Meru yaretite na mbere kienine kia Kinoru Meru amwana atungeria bara tayari bakinyete kire mambura ya mwana governor wa county ya Meru Mutumanto Edingi ana kinyo adarakani di mudhomi njoki barabari magavana wa Meru Kirito Murungena Kinya Peter Munya na urakinya wa vice chancellor wa Chuka University Professor Rastas Njoka bunge kadomba kuma county ya Meru na kinyome amwana MCAs bedrite bakinya mamburene ya Murugara nende ayukia kanyaka bishop uradirite area Salesius Mugambi.
Narua ni muthenya jo kwandikwa maukune na kuririkana ndene ya Catholic Diocese ya Meru nyume kuigwatira muskabu mweru.
Maana ulisema wema wangu wadumu milele, uaminifu wangu. Niki athokirete rimono na kinyambure nene rere kura itirangarata ni mibango kinya nini. Ongwana remisa litongeretu ni mwakilisho baba mukembu akibishop Bat Van Megen na mukade Ceresius Mugambi ligokali nechunche mwanya kulingana na nturba kanisa biriani kuthikira na kugana mugambo ja Murungu kuletwa alitari ne kwa Monsinyo Jackson Murugara ni ontobwa nkunurano na mantojaja kuthingatira kuthomwa kwa baruge baba mukembu ire ya muthurire kuromberwa kunenkerwa Biblia kurikirwa njera ni askabu gwako maguta gwekirwa kimata gya kanisa gwekirwa nkobi ya askabu ruturo levi na gwekira kirore kya mitaratara iu yonde nereketi Coadjutor.
Church of Meru ask you to ordain this priest Jackson Murugara to the responsibility of the episcopate.
Have you a mandate from the Holy See?
We have.
Let it be read.
Nyuma ya ujonde lietwa ni mukathe Coadjutor Jackson Murugara kuonanua na kwamukirwa ni askabu bangi kiamene na athiuruka kiaja na kitharimo kiawe kia mbere ali muskabu akristo bakionania wirubo bwingi. Niki athokira kigukari na atongeria bankathi mwanya thirikari nenene na county Bariyo gavana wa Meru Mutumanto Edingia na wadharakanithi Muthomi Njoki na bangi kathumba. Noende akiaria akibishop Anthony Mweria mugaru noria kumenyeretue guti siasa kana mwana siasa oretikirio kwaria akieja na itumi.
As you know, the standing of the conference, the Catholic bishops, is that we will not have political speeches in our ceremonies. However, we recognize the great honor granted to us by our leaders, both our national leaders, our political leaders, our civil leaders, and other leaders in the judiciary and other arms of government who are here.
Aja kirintumiri yayo kanisa nionekete kiregana na mirandi emwe thirikari nene kuangerekano au levy.
The foundations of the church are not in the first place about a building of stones or about a beautiful cathedral, but first and foremost it's about a temple of the Holy Spirit which is built in our hearts, in the people of God. You, dear Jackson, take it from me that you do not need to impose a housing levy to build a new house for the Lord. Nor do you have to apply social taxes to feed the hungry, to turn stones into bread or into millions of chapati. As a bishop, you don't have to go for an election campaign. You don't need, as another bishop said, any church advertisement. You don't have to prove yourself. God has already made his choice. You are his son in whom he is well pleased.
Kirirwari roerwa mbere ta mukathe muskabu Coadjutor Jackson Murugara ni achokeretia ntubonde nkatho na kulikithia ali tayari kurithia bwega.
Of the leaders from various sectors, civil, political, and religious. Your presence today demonstrates the unity we share in building a bright future. Let us work together, embracing our diversity, to make Meru and Tharaka Nithi and the nation as a whole a haven of hope and prosperity for generations to come.
Kiripotera Nteto cha Weru TV,
Tuitanto mundune, tubaleta weru nembeto amonene kitongo kagwe, tumsifu Yesu Kristo.